A home warranty is a service contract that covers the cost of repair or replacement of your home's major systems and appliances. Unlike homeowners insurance, which covers damage from external factors like fire, theft, or natural disasters, a home warranty covers items that break down due to regular wear and tear. How does a home warranty work? When you have a home warranty and a covered item breaks down, you simply submit a claim to your home warranty company. Home warranty and HVAC systems. HVAC systems are typically included in most standard home warranty plans. It's important to note that home warranties generally don't cover pre-existing conditions. Home warranty and appliances. Home warranties often cover major appliances like refrigerators, ovens, washers, dryers, and dishwashers. Again, the warranty usually only covers breakdowns due to normal use, not damage caused by misuse or neglect. The benefits of a home warranty. A home warranty can provide peace of mind for homeowners, especially those with older homes where systems and appliances may be nearing the end of their lifespan. In conclusion, a home warranty is a valuable investment that can protect you from unexpected costs and hassle.